When you build something out of nothing with passion, pride, it feels good. I fought the years of dirt, grime, dead batteries, and more dirt, and I turned it into something cool. Well, at least I think so. Hello, friends, and welcome. And today's video is just kind of a continuation, because I forgot to put the frames per second counter in the first one, and there was a lot of fellas mad at me. So, with no further ado, here we go. I'll just give you a little sneak peek of my $6 weapon. It is Q6600. It normally runs at 2.4 gigahertz stock, and it's almost up to 3 gigahertz with just a piece of electrical tape modded. Before we fire up Windows 10 on this, I just wanted to say, this is about 10 years worth of accumulated dirt and grime, and, the battery died, the CMOS battery, but we replaced it, got some, I got a new CPU, some new thermal paste, some new RAM, put some solid state drive, Windows 10, EVGA GT1030, cleaned it up really good, so let's see if it'll start. Oh yeah, baby, she's purring like a kitten. Boy, it looks good too. Hey, guess what? Man, this thing made me so happy I just felt like singing a song. Come on, come and get some of that FPS. Come on, come and get some of that. Come and get you some of that FPS. Come and get you some of that. Come on, come and get some of that FPS. Come on, come and get some of that. Come and get you some of that FPS. Come and get you some of that. You probably won't find a whole lot of FPS here, but it is fun anyways, and I hope you agree. In competitive gaming, FPS can give you a great advantage, but you still have to be good. Thanks, guys. That's all for me. Come on, come and get some of that FPS. Come on, come and get some of that. Come and get you some of that FPS. Come and get you some of that.